Okay. Hey guys, it's Annie, and if you have been following me on Instagram, you're probably shocked to see me. Let me tell you what I was gonna do, and then I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do today. Today, I was going to just do the eye tutorial that you guys all wanted to see on my last, I think it was my last video. If I remember, I'll put a photo up there. But I could not just do a video on that. I needed to tell you what's been going on with me, because if you've been following me on Instagram, you know there's been some stuff happening with me. So this is going to be a get ready with me, and I'm not going to go through all my makeup. All the details will be below. The only thing that I will do is I'm going to do the story time first. When we get to my eyes, I'm going to do a close-up. I'm going to show you and tell you exactly what I'm doing. So if you wanted to see that, okay? But I just couldn't just put a video up today because, especially if you follow me, you'd be like, girl, what's happening? So that's what we are gonna do, and we're just gonna get right into this. I didn't even get my makeup ready, so I may have to edit some of this out. Let's see where to begin. Yeah, it's been a really bad week. So let's start with Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving, I went with my family and we were at Hollywood Studios. That was really, really nice. We had a really nice Thanksgiving. I hope you guys did too. And then Saturday we decided that we were going to, I'm sorry, I'm getting my makeup up, that we were going to stay home on Friday, on Friday, because it was Black Friday and we're like, I'm not going anywhere. So we just stayed home, everything was chill. And then on Saturday we thought, let's get out and try to do something, and it was just too crazy. So we ended up just going for pizza and then we came home. On Sunday, we were gonna go out in the afternoon, but I got up and everything was fine when I got up in the morning. And then I was sitting down on the couch, our couch, and I was getting up and all of a sudden I was like, ooh, my back started hurting me. Now I've had back issues over the years. They've gotten better since I've seen a chiropractor. I actually used to get migraines really bad. Am I washed out? Hopefully not. But I used to get migraines really, really bad. And since I go to a chiropractor, I haven't had the migraines I used to have, and my back is much better. Fast forward to moving here, I don't know, maybe it was several months ago. I started having like a little bit of back pain on my left side, lower back pain, like right above my butt, but on my back. And it only hurt when I was sitting on my sofa, and I would get up and I would just be like, oh. So I didn't know what that was from. It wasn't extreme, it was just that. It would go away. I was still doing my walking. Sometimes when I did my walking, it would bother me a little bit too, but not really bad. You know, it wasn't enough that I was like, oh, I gotta stop walking. I just kept walking, you know? So this just totally flew me for a loop, and I didn't know what was going on, but that's kind of like, I kind of had something going on. So I went on Monday to have an adjustment. And when I went in, so I had an adjustment on Monday, and I thought that would be good. So no, Tuesday, still pain. I wake up on Tuesday, I went in and had another adjustment. Wake up on Wednesday, still in pain. So I thought maybe I just need a massage. Maybe I'm just tight. So I went in, had a massage. Thursday, still pain. And I almost, before Wednesday, I almost felt like sick-ish. Like I felt like I had a cold in my back or something, if that makes any sense. But after I had the massage, like I felt like that helped a lot. You know, I came home and I drank a lot of water to flush everything out. And I felt good, but I still had that back pain. So my chiropractor said, okay, you should have started getting some relief. He could tell by the way I was walking that I could barely walk. He's like, sounds like you have a slipped disc. I want you to have an MRI. Make sure that nothing else is going on. And he wanted me to do decompression therapy and start doing that, especially until we, you know, heard the results, and just to make sure that there wasn't anything going on. He didn't want to get into details, but it's the big C word that we don't like to talk about. So that's where I'm at right now. I had 2 decompressions. It's been helping a lot. I have to sit with a towel or something on my back, and that's how I have it right now. I have to be careful, even when I'm doing my videos and I'm not hunched over. It's easy to do when you're, you know, sitting on a chair, so I'm trying to be really, really cautious of that. He said that I can still walk. He said walking is actually good, just don't overdo it, because he said it will help the blood flow. And then I can't get an MRI until next week. But here's the thing. I know you guys are all going to have your opinions, and I don't know what I'm going to do. But I've been in touch with my old chiropractor. My old chiropractor said that just keep getting the adjustments. It's going to help you. I wouldn't get the MRI because it's probably just a slip disc. And he said that insurance doesn't pay for MRIs unless you have an injury like a car accident or something like that, which I didn't. When I was a kid, I was hit by a car. It's not why I have my scar, by the way. If I can remember, I'll link the video to why I have this. But I was hit by a car when I was on my way to school in 5th grade. I was riding my bike. A car was going to pull out, and he signaled me to go. I went, and boom, he hit me. So I don't know if I misunderstood him when he was saying to go. Maybe he was telling me not to go. I don't know. It was almost 40 years ago. Or over 40 years ago, I guess. So I had that, and then I fell on ice back probably 10 years ago or so. And I never hurt I didn't hurt myself. I didn't break anything or whatever. It hurt, but I never ended up going to the doctor or anything like that for it. So I don't know if it's that. Either of those have just come back to haunt me. I have no idea, because I did absolutely nothing other than our move. I mean, I did, I was lifting up boxes and stuff when we were moving, so could that have caused it? I don't freaking know. But I would have thought that if that caused it, wouldn't I have had like issues a while ago already from it? That's what I don't understand. I really, really don't understand this at all. So that is what's been going on this week. I've been in a lot of pain. So I've mostly been laying around, and a couple of my friends have told me don't do any videos, just rest, which is fine, but I need to do something or I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, I am not someone that likes to sit. I am like somebody that likes to go. I can't relax. I have a hard time relaxing. I am not one of those people, because when I do that, I just think about all the things I need to do and I can't relax. So I wanted to make a video today. So I'm going to keep doing my videos as long as I can do it. I want to do it. And like I said, I'm still going to go for my walks and all of that. And then today when I was going to my chiropractor, I had issues with our car, which we just took to the shop like a month or two ago. And it was all fixed, but obviously it isn't, because it's the same freaking problem. So it's been a great week. It's just been such a bad week. It's like sometimes when it rains, it pours. And there's been some other things too that I'm not going to talk about. So it's more than that. There's just other stuff going on too. I'm pretty open with you guys. I share a lot, but I'm not going to share everything. You know what I mean? Like some things are just personal and I'm not going to share it. But I have other things going on too. So it's just been a really... I'm going to swear, okay? I usually don't swear in my videos, but I'm just going to tell you it's been a shitty week. It really is. There's really no other word for it. It's just been bad. It's been really, really bad. I hope that your week is going a lot better than mine. I'm just about done with my face here, and then I'm going to get right into the eyes. I'm not going to do my brows on camera though, because I just can't do my brows on camera. And by the way, I'm going to do my hair. I'm going to do another hair video. Let's talk about that really quickly. I'm going to do another hair video, by the way. The reason I'm doing another hair video is because I had so many of you guys ask me to do a hair video after I've already shared a hair video. And I put those hair videos in vlogs, and so I'm just gonna do a hair video, and then if anybody else, if you're new here, that I'm just gonna show you the hair video, because otherwise maybe some of you are like sick of seeing it. I don't know. But I am gonna film that today, so my hair is pulled up, so I'm gonna do that too. So for the eye tutorial, I used all 3 of these palettes, so I'm just sharing that with you. I'm not saying you have to go out and buy all of them. But I will say I love all these palettes. I genuinely love these. These are the latest ones that I bought. I got this in the spring. I bought this, I don't know, whenever it came out. So was it a month ago or something? And it seemed like this came out recently, and I guess this is their holiday one. So this one might be limited edition, which I hate. But I'm glad that I have it. So I use these all the time. I still use my Charlotte Tilbury one that I got. I'm having a hot flash. Time to take off the Barefoot Dreams. Ooh, Mom is having a hot flash. I'm gonna use all three of these palettes. This is the look that I did, and I used all three palettes. You know, like I said, you could do a similar look using one of these palettes, but I just wanted to, I wanted to play around with it myself, and it just shows you that even if you have one palette, if you have another palette, like play with them together. You don't have to just use one palette, you know what I mean? Oh my God, I'm so hot. I usually don't drink with a straw, by the way. I'm trying to be hopefully careful that I'm not puckering my lips. Okay, but I just feel like if I drink out of a straw, I do drink more water. I'm just trying not to go all the time so I get wrinkles or more wrinkles. So I am going to go in with this palette first. So this is the Sultry palette. I am going to go in with the color Twig right there. And I'm just going to go like that, take my brush. And this brush is I'm only using a couple brushes. So this is my Sephora number 38 crease brush. I love this. And I will use, another brush that I'm going to use is my blending brush from It Cosmetics. There's no numbers on it. And then I'm also going to use this It Cosmetics brush, and it's kind of pointy. It's the Smoky, I think it's called Smoky Eye or something like that. I will try to link all my brushes below. And then because I have a little bit of hooded eyes, I just relax my eye. And then I get right on the corner here. I really don't use a lot of brushes like I used to. I'm using less brushes. So I'm going to go back in, Twig. You need very little of these shadows. That's why I love these. They are powdery, but I don't know. I tap them. It's not bad. And the color payout is just so worth it. Now I'm going to go in, and you can blend it with this one, but I always like to take a clean brush. And I'm blending it out. I'm looking in my mirror over here. This is such an easy, seriously, so easy. Now I'm going to go in with, I'm trying to remember which one I did. I'm going to go in with Volatile right here. I'm going to take that and build it up some more. Now this corner, sometimes I will lift my eye a little bit because otherwise I can't get into this corner. Make it a little bit more. So I'm stretching it just so I can get in this little corner here. I'm going to blend it. Now I'm going to go in, I'm going to take a little bit of this Dusty Rose right here. Did I show you that? I hope that I showed you that other color. And this one's from Soft Glam. The last color that I used, Volatile, was from the Norvina palette. I'm sorry I didn't tell you that. And I'm going into the Soft Glam, and I'm going to take, what did I say I was going to do? Rusty Rose. Dusty Rose, not Rusty Rose. Right there, hopefully you can see it. Right there. And I'm just going to put this on the end here. Just layering up colors. And now I'm just, again, I just want to blend it in really good. See how easy it is to create looks with these? I love these palettes. Now I'm going to go in with this brush, and this is my Sigma E25, which is a blending brush. But I never use it as a blending brush because I just feel like it's too flat for me. So I use a little bit of my MAC Prep and Prime. On a pinch, I've used water before, to be honest with you. Just stick my brush under the faucet. On my Sultry palette. And I am going to use Fresh and a little bit of Pearl. So Fresh is right here and Pearl is right there. See those two? Fresh and Pearl. See And I just tap it in there. And I'm going to tap it on my eye. And I am getting it on my whole eye today. I am not just doing the inner part. So again, Fresh and Pearl. I'm going to do a little bit of, I'm going to do a little bit of the rose quartz too. Tap that on there. Rose quartz. Tap that on there. And again, I just still want to make sure that this is all blended. Good. Now I'm going to take that brush, that smoky eye brush, and I am going to use the, I don't even know what that color is, right down there, that brown color. Can you say that? Can the class say that for me? Tell me what that color is right there. Yeah. I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put it right here on my lower lash. I'm going to do the same thing here. Then I'm going to wipe it off, and I'm going to blend it better because it's a little too, see how harsh it is right now? So I'm going to take that same brush, hold it at an angle, make a weird face, and blend it. Just like that. Really easy. So I'm going to go finish doing my makeup. I'm also going to do my hair really quick because you're going to see my hair done, but I'm going to share that in another video. So I will be right back. Okay, so that is it. That's my final look. It's really, really easy. Like I said, when I'm off camera, I can do it a lot quicker than when I did when I do it on camera. But use all your palettes. Don't feel like, you know, because you have one palette, that's all, you know, you can only use the colors that are in the palette. Use all of them, mix them together, play with them, have fun with them. Like I said, I love these palettes. They've been my go-to every day, you know, that I've been using every single day. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for the prayers and good vibes and all that too on my Instagram. I really, really appreciate it. I need it right now. I've got a lot of stuff going on. I know some people are going through it far worse than I am. But this is what I'm going through right now. For me, it's pretty bad. So, but I'm going to keep on making videos because I enjoy doing it. So as long as I can do it, I'm going to keep on doing it. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for liking them, for sharing them. It means so much to me and I really, really appreciate it. We are getting closer to 14,000 subscribers on my channel here. I mean, really close. And without you, I wouldn't have a channel. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys real soon.